If LDPlayer keeps restarting automatically and you can't use it properly, yeah, that's a pretty common issue. The good news is there are a few simple fixes that usually stop the restart loop. First, restart your computer. I mean, sometimes background processes or memory glitches can cause LDPlayer to restart again and again. Next, check that virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. LDPlayer depends on Intel VT or AMD, and if it's disabled, the emulator can become unstable and restart automatically. After that, disable Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform. These features can conflict with LDPlayer and cause constant restarts. Now open LDPlayer settings and reduce CPU cores and RAM usage. So if your system is overloaded, lowering these values can stabilize the emulator. You should also update LDPlayer and your graphics drivers. Yeah, outdated versions can cause crashes and automatic restarts. Next, close heavy background apps like browsers or recording software. Too many running programs can overload your system and trigger restarts. If the issue continues, uninstall LDPlayer and install the latest version again. I mean, this usually fixes corrupted files causing the restart loop, and that's it. One of these fixes should stop LDPlayer from restarting and get it running normally again.